Welcome to VB and MySQL tutorial. This is part 1, and in this tutorial we will start with VB and MySQL, how to connect them and how to insert data. Through this series we will discuss anything you need to know about VB and MySQL. So you create, and I'm using Visual Studio 2019. So you create a new project. You create a new project. Welcome to VB and MySQL tutorial. This is part 1. And in this tutorial, click on Visual Basic. Start with VB and MySQL, how to connect them and how to insert data. Through this series takes a little time. Anything you need to know about VB and MySQL. Now, as you can see, we need to provide. If you don't, and I'm using Visual Studio 2019, you create it with. So you create a new project. Net underscore. You create a new project. SQL. So location simply means where our project will be stored. You can choose on Visual Basic anywhere in your computer to store your project. Connect, but I'll leave mine in the default location. Storing my VB project takes a little time, and this is the .NET framework. We'll talk about this framework later. Now, as you can see, you need to provide it. If you don't, you have the project on Windows app, so you'll create it on create VB.NET underscore SQL. So location simply means where our project will be stored. You can choose to take a little anywhere in your computer to store your project. I'll leave mine in the default location, storing my VB project. Okay, and this is the .NET framework. We'll talk about this framework later on. I think the latest. I think this is the latest one. Hit on create. Okay. Now, if you're new to Visual Studio, this is the interface of it, and this is a form. It takes a little time. This is a form. So we have our Solution Explorer. Let's wait for it. It takes it. You have your Solution Explorer. If you click it, to expand it for you, so you can see. If you pin it, it will be there. If you click on this little button, it will pin it for you, so you can see. Now, in our project, we have here a pattern called references. If I click on this pattern, now if you're new to Visual Studio, now these are default references. The interface of it for every Visual Basic is a form, but we are doing Visual Basic and MySQL. So now this is a form. So we need our Solution Explorer, a reference of MySQL to text project. We have our Solution Explorer to click it to expand it for you. So you come here, so you can click on it. If you can add reference, pin it, it will be there. If you click on this little button, it will pin it for you. Extensions, so you can see. Now in our project, we have a little time to look here. Click here, a pattern called references. If I click on this pattern, okay, now here it is reference. If you don't have MySQL default references, which we need and type every SQL Visual Basic connector project, but they come in version packs. I prefer you download the latest version. In order to do this, we need to add a reference of MySQL selected project. Now, if you go to Google, so you come here, so you click on it clearly. Click on add reference. You have only one form to keep things nice into your project. Then you need to click on extension folders. So to add a folder, it will time to load. Click on your project and type MySQL. Choose add and now here. If you don't have MySQL installed forms, just go to Google and type my forms are basically the interface where the user will use to be. They come in version packs. I prefer you download the latest version. Then let's add one more by clicking on select it and click on add it to our folder. Let's add it modules. You have only one form to keep things nice in your project. You need to keep things in folders. Let's add another folder and call it to add a folder. Click on your project. So now by clicking it, you can just click in your mouse and drag the form into the forms folder and to move it. Forms are basically the interface, where the user will use to interact with our software inside the form. Then let's form you create more by clicking on keep things nice, organized, and click on again view locating files and other. Let's add modules. Now we have it. We have connected to our database. Let's add one more. So this is the interface of VB. Let's add, and we can click this to hide the installation explorer. It is not gone. Remember here now. You can expand it for you. You can now click on your mouse and drag to the form into the forms folder. And this is the property move it of the form. This icon here we can change it. Very good. Now it is inside the form. Change any form you create. Click. Now you have an icon to keep things nice and organized in your project. Tell me I do. You locating the files, use these things to that very easy and simple. Okay. You see the icon change. Down the form here is form we have it. We have connected to our database. So this is the interface of VB. Now we can click this to hide the installation explorer. It is not gone. Remember here. Click here to expand it for you. Now we need properties for click dots to stay for you now. This is the form, and this is the property tutorial form. This icon here we can change it. Tutorials. You can see here icon. Now position is when you run your project or when you package your software and you run it. Choose the form that land on the screen. You see the icon. Down the form here, Windows form 1. Default location, which means you can run that anywhere. So we choose center screen. It should be at the center of the screen. It should be at the center of the screen. And let's go on to db.net. So we have data source. If you create a database tutorials, you want to connect to it. You can see it here. This you can have a data source part here. Position is when you run your project. Or when you let's connect package your software and you run it. Let's show over here. I'm using my SQL web screen. Right. So if you choose Windows default location, which means you can run that anywhere to load. So we choose center screen. It should be at the center of the screen. It should be at the center of the screen. Okay. Now we have a data source. If you create a database, you want to connect to it, the bench is loading. You can use thumbs. You can add your data source to do this. So let's connect to a database. You see over here, I'm using my SQL Workbench. Okay, time to load. Now I have this database and I'll connect to this hotel_bay. And if you don't know how to create databases and you don't know anything about databases, you need to watch my previous videos about database, creating databases, tables, and benches loading. For you can use the tutorial to do this. Click on this and click a little here called toolbox. Now, toolbox are items we add to the form which helps make interaction very simple. So let's add a button. Now I have this databases and I'll connect to this hotel_bay. And if you don't know how to create databases and button a name, if you don't know anything about databases, you need to watch my previous videos about database, creating databases, tables, names, property. The name property helps us to reference to click on this and click to reference to items on the form very easily. If you don't name them, the items we print to the form, which you need to call them, it's like starting calling them. So you need to name the items. The text on it, you can change the text on it to connect. Good, and that. If now the button, when you double click on this, it takes you to the form load event where you can write some code. So double click on it. Names property. The name property help us to reference to items on the form very easily. If you don't name them, you have about 20 buttons. You need to call them SQL. Static calling them. So you need to name the buttons. Data. The text on it, you can change the text on it to that. Now you need to connect global variables. So you see public. Good. Con. Now when you double click on this, it takes you to form load eventually you can write some code. My SQL is first. You need to import MySQL. So type import with. Then you open curly braces, import into SQL and then connection string is equal to data dot MySQL client. So you need to insert your connection string. Now you need global variables for the so you see public. Now the database is on a local machine. So meaning local MySQL localhost connection equals with. So when it's then open, see the curly braces is equal to localhost and the description and then connection string is equal to this. And where is the user? So you need to insert your connection string is equal to what? So now root, let's search for the now the database is on a local. Any MySQL branch has a password. So then you say pwd is equal to my password is Lyman localhost. Then the database. The database is always a server. You see the server. So remember our database we're going to connect to is called hotel underscore bay. And where is the type hotel the user underscore is equal to what? Bay root. Then any MySQL branch has a password. Then we say pwd is equal to my password is on the button and this connection string is correct. And then the database. You want to see database telling the user that the database system is going to connect to the database. So first, remember our database we're going to connect to connection called hotel underscore bay. We type in hotel underscore bay close. Now let's put all this in try and catch block. So now, if there's any exceptions, our system will click crash on the button and this connection catch the exception and show us if it's connected. You want to know basically exceptions are errors that happen during runtime of an application system is connected to the database. So first you need to put MySQL the connection L on MySQL Q. Yeah. Second. Okay. If it is connected, then you click it to show a message box close. Show. Now let's put say all this in try and catch block. So if there's any exceptions, our system won't crash. It will detect, catch the exception and show us the exception. Now basically exceptions are errors that happen during runtime of an application. Then so you can put a catch block in my S finally L S Now once we close the connection, we need to dispose the connection connected, then we click it to show a message purpose. Then here show say and here message box show any exception that happens and we can't connect, it should show as if the system should show as the exception. Success. We will type fully ex. Now ex is coming from here. So the event finally that happened and we couldn't connect to the now once we open the database, the connection this is very important. Anytime you close your exceptions, you close your database. You should make sure your database is closed. And here, because let's say it's open your database here and something happened, it didn't message, it wasn't able to connect to a database. Exception that it will jump and we can't connect. If we close here and the system will come through a here exception, fire this message box without closing the database, which will cause your program to crash. So you need to make sure your EX database is always closed. EX is coming from here, which is the event that happened and we couldn't connect to the state of the database. And this is very important. Anytime you close your exceptions, you close your database. You should make sure your database is closed. Because let's say it's then open your database here and something happened, it wasn't able to connect to a database. On jump the close here and quickly come here and fire this message box without closing the database, which will cause your program to crash. So you need to make sure your database is always ready, and by adding this extra code, which is on, give it a shot. Dot state. If the state of the database is dot opened, I forget to put that into if statement, then number 10, you see the build succeeded, which means we have no errors. In con dot close. Okay. Okay, so we can see here is our form ready, and click this and it connects. So let's see the next is connected. Give it a shot. So let's click. It's connecting. Okay, so you can see we are connected successfully. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Number 10, you see the build succeeded, which means we have no errors. Okay. Okay, so we can see here is our form. If we click this and it connects, so we should see the next is connected successful. So let's click. It's connecting. Okay, so you can see we are connected successfully. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.